Kwe makombe pilot na nukole makombe. Ule waje isi mwini tero buro tawatia. Yone wenga yori ya uruga magia makombe. Dewe yosyo. Makombe magu. Makombe literally. Mare tuwadho madhi ni wa science and agriculture.
Biakera watho bago science and agriculture nega tene thukuru.
Yes, nene dhomete. Rema millennials dhomete science and agriculture na ACM.
Art craft music.
Yes.
Okay, Ramodoni ACM no message is an examination body.
No. That's all my art and craft and music, business education, science and agriculture, na GHCRI. Yes.
Ndio kera ni yakoroge kia out of 700.
Yes.
Primary.
Ndio kushi GHCRI ni etagwo wata GHC.
Ayu etagwo social studies.
Social studies. Ndio ngene religious.
Is religious.
It was broken down for us more for clear understanding. Yes. Ndio ine wa agriculture mother ma farm tools and equipment mwakinya harvesting how do you know mother ma topic ya granary
riu nirio ikumbi.
Yes. Ani ukiwa thimo ciuga micie mau ayora kana eka atia
micie uraga ngocia
je makumbi. Yes. Ikumbi back then those are now it's now long ago ile kwa makumbi ma mugedi.
Well, on me akamingi mithiangu
beria mugedi to nejera ohoro cio ni matindungu wa kamanderi. I don't think people are actually that generous today. Tondu ko beria mugedi iga guvara ati mundu urahituke na thayo wake ndangihuta.
Millennials and Gen Z matikorete maundu ma muthemba ucio.
No, tutikorete. We hear those tales. Ati kundru waigira neta kioski gitarare hiyo. Yes. Ati uthiete na faro guori wakora ikumbi ukaingira ukarora ni keki wikete
ni kigitwo.
Yes. Na no ukore nginya riu ukoerio ni aitongo wakora rukuri nyama ukeudutho ekatia
ugathie
no kaga mwene nyagari dikane teri uriku
ucio. Well, people had integrity back then.
They had integrity so ikumbira mugedi umuthi riri tingiraria kindu
tingirario nake ngithi kuigwo ungikora thoko.
Yes.
Ungikora giathi gigikwirwo.
No, the people were had integrity. You would literally, and there were people who were actually tasked to stock it. Yes.
Umuthi ringi boro na muthenya wa mbere.
Ukora marigo mau me muthuru kana monene mwacuririo haria karati
tatu 10.
Makombe na mone mari social stature tondu traditionally ikombe ria turirikanaga riri horia hana Dika ni read ria thondeka guna nacio ta kiondo guo kinene
iria hana tari kuo guthuri ogothetwo ta kiondo.
Yes. Ndigacoka riu gathondekirwo structure rikehera thi.
Actually ona nirio ria ceragwo mabuku-ini thukuru muthiro ma ngirigaca.
Yes. Ria hana tari kathiururi koetwo iguru. Yes. And it was rodent proof and cat proof. Kuno kwenye uyanyu zake ozekuira. Yes. Na kuge kidu beberi. I don't even think we what do you call weevils?
Busha.
Ndikwezi anisha igira kundu. Yes. Na ikombe na leoneri ali na kufuri special and unique.
He makufuri mahiga mako na dimenya maumaga ku.
Yes.
Kana mendagio no.
Yes.
Makufuri mauma nie diana semania na njero ndakoragwo makuru. Na kufuri ureke tuge ni yaikaraga matuko mainge.
Jigwa kufuri icio ciaumaga India. India na China. Those old China things.
Yahinguka ta bengo.
Yes. And it was brass. Na ni akinya handu ga service na maguta make.
Masharahani.
Na service ikombere. Yako ga service very fun. Chogu akona safita milioni kenda. Most of them used to open nothing.
No ya ikombe
akonyitagiro.
Ke na ti andu othe mangehokirwo ni macuwe kunengerwo cabi ya ikumbi.
No. Muno hokagira andu aria matuitwo muthuriwe.
Ya kumuonia niwe mwene muci.
Yes. ano ato magwo kwene nyokwa iyo ko baba wanyu nake ni akigire meri Nairobi ni atahirwo ni miago ya kiria
agicuka
heta wote hari agara ugetua kumira ngurunana kiugereire bara ya Park Road andu weho andu moragira rugongo mu
Supermambo Supermambo
na ndukire wa irai ko Supermambo
ndire wa iroguo
we ko thogo reta iro ni mego ya Supermambo mathia gwicugwo so dato mone mami goria kana to na to foso to gususa githeri kama une kara ga kuria we had to use the psychological appeal of small baby okay ro atiri watu muone ki wewe ugetu to kwa nyoko
wewe muthoni kundu ku
ro na access yake ya mari okay ro ndiwita gicuki
riu gicuki no tio twaguka guo
yes ocio in harakiri he's in the lineage of
succession
gicuki ao and shamelessly akoneweza vio we hauweki ore
you do nothing ni shogu aso no apologies
na akwe container yes uthi utahie mukimbo mwe wake
wa boco
na ndugatahie kawairimu utahie mwitemania we handu ariku
we hau na we no urigainie na irigu ri hau
yes
ucio ndiranetie na irigu
no ko ni riru ri wahure mwahumwe mwana behe itana gatia
itana hea
yes ndauga meho igana wewe ni muthuri we arera ucio ngidange hokwo handu maita bare maigi ungeigeria ikumbiri we wahana ta waigira public coffers
no hiyo ni kufungua sava
you see ikombe na riori waigira ri there was an airy silence a beautiful calm and a very nice ambience there in our studio
no it was cool and dry
yes waigira ku kaigwa so kigukunugite bebe teka
kwaja kuiko kwina meru
kwaja kawa yes wazo kona ile ni bobo ya kahua ni ihakanetio na irio yes ukona icio ni ngo ukamba konrwa irigo wega yes ni wonu rari ikoro ugaikia muhuko nigetha bau mauikirie ke
uikirie buri
na ndungiuma buri tani-ini yes
no every homestead had a granary
yes na kwe granaries no andu maroragia ino tradition yakoragwo it's like a hat ona iguru
ari cylindrical
yes na riagitagwo na mareve yes
kana kumwe mathanji
na reke ngwira ikombe ni ikombe acio na andu mamenya muci neglected mwona ikombe riu rina angle of inclination
ikombe kugwa ni saini ya
ni muci ucio gukobofara na kugomerwo niki ni ngarau
that's a nailing economy
yes it's an economy in dire need of aid
irabatara kubail out
exactly
by the IMF
na niona ikombere it was a coveted part of the home architecture ona chogua hau neho atindaga
yes iriu rire arenda kuriract hau njari wa mukora hau ikombe-ini
aigua wa mase kaweko
no cio retana
nĩ nyina wa Eradadi ina ikombe-ini
no kĩondo arogotha pole
and some laws that govern land demarcation were actually passed there
yes by the granary
it was also a house of legislature yes
basira mana tire ro ikombe
wega view makorosho gwa hua gitumaga fulani hau ikombe ria thagirwo handu very cool atari na maundu maigi yes
ona thoguo ngori muturi wa Nairobi na ni agioka muciiri
yes
agithi kuona mathari ni amenya ithare akamenya riu tha icio ikombe-ini
na ikombe ni mahota gucira na noho ahota guthomerwo openly hatare na any audience ni urire Nairobi muno endaigwa kinya ni wambatirio ngathi ciana gutura guhereire irio
urekereirie ciana guku
ikombere ni kirire tha ici
murugu ithe nderekeire guthie secondary
ndikagetha kindu ndware giathi saira yatere gukura na ngurere nginya mukaguo ikombere ni kwenda kuhingurire nguoni na ndiragethire mwite mani nginya ndego ndirareirwo gakunia marite ciothe
ni ndikeima ciana irio
ciana ndecima irio cia ikumbi na ndiramahe guthikira matirahuru gĩtigũrĩre mũkaguo kagombe akamage
kana mũkomborere kwa irũngũ ndĩraiguire nĩ arakomborithia mũgũnda marĩ mage
eni ahande mĩciri nĩ ĩragĩrwo nĩ mũthũngũ hakura ikumbi na kwali makumbi riu maitonga riari na makinya makumbi maingi ni ndingi yes riu waitanga wona ikumbi nguraizi riarizitwo na ihiga yes
riu kuu ni kwa wale waliojiweza
wale waliobobea kipesa yes
kimfuko
wakora ikumbi riu rina mbao ciakitwo uiro yes and it even has a walkway no ambate iguru no thiururuke Nore na murango ungi
wana thutha
yes
no andu aria no maka ikumbi rina double door
yes
those were able
mwena wa serious na perishable
na farm tools
yes wiko ndo ingira ugakora kabici ta ithano na tukunia na riu kundu riu kwa the amari kwa kuiga uongo bakombe tama wa mona wa soso anyure wetago wa murimo for some reason soso wa murimo ni mari atongu I don't know how that used to work
and no wonder
yes
food security was not an issue
because people would exercise conservation of food yes you see another the government silo yes this is ya kuiga grain ndio ikope wa iko well after how rugure you know not much used to grow there was some very cool fine soil gokosia atida how ikehuria
iona kwa mishono no yatinda kuwikirio ngeke huragia ri
warari
ne yathie ke ikiria hau rungu wa ikumbi
yes no bosco ari mwana anyire mo ne athithagia hau kario ne thuya akario ria mbere ndacokaga hau ikumbi
granary
the granary and people don't do them anymore no wonder we have a food security issue
nigode yakura no wonder hindi yo ri food security was not an issue
because the ikumbi was a priority in every home
that every homestead kwari ikumbi
yes
kwari nario
every whatever little they had
yes
maigaga ikumbi
ona mathi ugo mahiukire urimwe makari hata kila kitu
yes
no ni makona matanya rucio ni tukari mai
akireguo
ngai etuhe kimerai tuige
acio na indo iria cigirwo ikumbi ri ciari reserve mwageragia ku survive on subsistence muteko hutia thitoko
ira ni thitoko
it's a fallback yes
ile tore guko na reserves
guko
ko eta watia kabudi na thirikari ya serious
NCPB yes look at the it was a silo ya ku reserve irio yes inyo mukageria kuria kiria mukuharirira
kuregu mugunda ke kwa majirani
yes ko mwathiaga as a last resort yes ko ni uguthi ikumbi urume mikimbo ino ya mbembe ugathiithi yes
na niyo na mbeu no kuya kiiga undu wa kuhanda kimera kiu kingi
niguo tondu kanua karia karire mbeu na gukoragia ngahanda
ki
na mbeu ndiarĩagwo even if you are starving
you couldn't
you cannot eat seeds you are literally eating the fertility of the land uraria kioneki
uria mbeu
no, you know, it's good to have some of these heritages and the oral literature and amafundithio because kina Muthoni na Baby Shark they cannot relate.
Matikorete makumbi.
They have never seen
makumbi magwa.
Ee.
Ndira 13